Summer is almost over, and we can't end our summer without a nice cold egg salad sandwich. In a pot, let's bring water to a boiling point, add the eggs, and set a timer for 14 minutes. I will be boiling 8 eggs, and this is going to give me about 5 servings. Once your eggs are completely cooked, then you're going to want to transfer this to an ice cold water and let them sit there for about 5 to 8 minutes or until the eggs are completely cold. This is going to give you a perfect boiled egg each time. In a mixing bowl, add half a cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of mustard, half a cup of celery, and half a cup of onions. Mix well, and then peeled and cut the eggs in small pieces, and then incorporate the eggs to the sauce and start mixing it until everything is bind together perfectly. Take your time doing this. We're not in a hurry. Anyways, this is a perfect recipe for all those teenagers and college students that are not very experienced in cooking and want something homemade and easy and fast. It has very few ingredients and it tastes delicious. So then you add salt and pepper to the taste and start putting your sandwiches together. This could be a quick lunch or a quick dinner full of flavor and very refreshing as well. I hope you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.